Ever since I was a little boy, people have enjoyed the sound of my voice. And I figured you either get busy talking, or you get busy dying. The work is really quite easy.
Heavy. My nigga Epic. Yeah. Let's get it. Alright. My niggas be the dealers, my bitches get on nerves. Autoboss the word, I'ma take it round the world. You niggas can't rap, that's why I'm giving you the curve. They tryna trace rap back to the third world. I came from a third world, and I don't need no justification. Damn right, I'm Jamaican. I couldn't care less if it came from Bin Laden. Cause this is my shit, this what I do. This how we get it, how I feed my crew. Pop talk, me, never get on your knee. So we picking locks and nigga blasting me. Me and D1 say these niggas all trash. Time for you lame niggas to stop relaxing. A young eagle trying to start a chain reaction. But if I put you out, they ain't no reactive. Now that's what the fuck I call a chain reaction. Yeah. Last night your woman called up for the pain. She want a real nigga in it, that's not a shame. She know that I can go deep, but it's not a game. So she tell me that the nipples getting hard in the rain. I'm a young nigga, you could call me Young Wayne. If she like shaking that ass, I'ma tell her do a thing. You ever seen a bad bitch with a triple tongue ring? Guess not. They say I need to smoke less pot, but the kush soon legalize. Open up shop, keep it sinister. You could bet your money on the block. If a nigga violate, then he gotta get dropped. This the King's town, ain't enough people for the shots, but it's still one shot, one kill. The fire in my belly now, I need a meal. I'm all about the money now, so she wanna chill. The package on the way, so everybody just bill.
Everybody just bill? Yeah, everybody just bill. Epic now, you know this, about to flow hot like ultraviolet. Young nigga no more hot, but I'm more hot when I spit this flow like hold up. I'm more hot than these JA days, got so much fire, can't be tamed. When I spit this flow, I generate flames. Generally, I ain't into talking, can't drive, but I'm driven walking. The day I die and they make it a coffin. We'll walk out at that cemetery, dead and coughing. Raps like Charlene means they kicking bars like liquor stores. In prison, I be killing, I ain't kidding. I'm a villain when it comes to all this rap shit. Your girl love this epic nigga, I got her legs open, flipping like some ratchets. Anyway, bitch, I'm different, I don't chase him, I stay dream chasing. My goal is to reach the peak like fuck this beat naked. I've been created and been faking, to the top is where I've been aiming. From this day on, just call me tax, I'm inflating. And y'all niggas can stay hating, I'm living where y'all vacating. On this rock, I'm a J8 kid, I've been to college, I can take your bread and multiply like Jesus did.